Hello, let me show you how you can use Google Camera on Poco C75. So as you can see, here it is. Everything is fine, everything works right here. And basically, to start this, Google Camera installation, you will have to go into the Google Play Store, click on Search, and right here you will have to input this phrase, GCam application. You will have to download this application from this developer with this icon. When you download it, you will have to simply open it. And first of all, as you can see, currently there's like no official file for the Poco C75. And the reason is because this is like brand new phone, right? So if you are watching this video like 6 months ago, 6 months later or 1 year later, then probably you will be able to hit download button just right here. So now I'm gonna actually request for the GCam, and I believe that developers will actually include this button right here. But you can actually search for the GCam for similar devices. So we can click here, tap on the search and input Poco phrase. Now you will have to keep scrolling, and I can recommend you to use this file from Poco C65. So this is from the previous version, and right here you can find GCam with the 9.1 version, Android 11. But also we can, for example, try with Poco X6 or F5 if your version will be unstable or if you have any other issue. And all you have to do is just to click to start downloading. Sometimes you will get pop-up ad. Basically, you will have to wait until the download will be finished. And when the download is finished, you will have to go into File Manager, which will be located right here. Now you will have to go to the storage and you will have to search for downloads, and that will be the APK file that you have to download. So you will have to tap on it. You will have to accept this installation from external sources. In my case, as you can see, I can click on the update button because I already did it. And after this, you will be able to simply open this Google Camera. It will be next to the main camera and you will be able to use it. So tell me what you think about this Google Camera quality. Thanks for watching.